Welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about internet business ideas. I want to break down one of my favorite programs online and exactly why it's my favorite program. And anyone looking to make money online, I think you guys should be looking at the Home Business Academy. So when making money online, the biggest things you're going to need is obvious a program that's going to make you the money. You're going to want an email system so you can follow up with your leads. You're going to want a funnel system. You're going to want a domain name, a www. Like you see right here, the homebusinessacademy.com. Those are the main things you're going to want to need when starting a business online. The biggest reason why people fail in these programs are because usually they lack something. They're just pumping dumps and they have no value. The Home Business Academy is neither. So the first flagship service with the Home Business Academy is going to be the funnel system. So we're into the funnel system. And right here, you're going to see my first part of my funnel, which is my lead capture system. This specific lead capture page, it goes right into my free course, which you're going to get in the description below, or you can go to icreatebosses.com. You're going to get access. So this is some of the things you can create. It's very generic and simple, but you can always add to it. So when you guys register, your email is going to go to my campaign, which I'm collecting my email, but you're going to be able to get a course format, which looks like this. You're going to be able to get a course format, and let's actually open it up. And I have some extras. So this is the format that you're going to look. It's going to be personalized to your name. So make sure you fill out your real email and your real name. So this is another page that you're going to be able to create within the funnel builder. So I funnel people through a funnel so you guys can get everything you need to know on making money online before you even get to a program. So when you get down to, the last step, it's going to have some finishing info, but it's going to get you down to my businesses. So you can create all this within the funnel builder. You can create traditional business pages. Let's see what else I have. Let's just scroll through here. Actually, let's go to the funnels. Let's just scroll through here and see some other things that I've made. So you can make traditional website pages. You can add code to them. They're quick, clean. You can add your social medias, menus. You get one e-commerce site as well. So if you have products you want to sell, you can get access to those as well. So the funnel builder is straight to it. You're going to be able to make funnels, anything, booking. If you have offline businesses, you're going to be able to do just about any service with this funnel builder. So that's what you're going to get. That's the first flagship product. So coming back to the second flagship product, it's going to be the HBA Premium. So this is a upsell within a program, and this is where it gets very good. This is where you're going to get all your information, all the traffic you need updated, free. Information on short reels, YouTube, Facebook. I'm talking about this training is updated every time something new changes. Everything here, we have daily masterminds, and if you become a premium member, there's I want to say one mastermind a month where they bring on guests and they talk about what's getting people results in the industry. They have daily personal development calls as well, so you'll be able to get on a Zoom and ask any question that you have. We have a group that you can do the same with. It's a community. So That's what makes Home Business Academy even better. Is it's a community behind it. When you join a lot of these programs, you don't really have many people to talk to, help in the same situation as you. Not with at Home Business Academy. And then they also added the Emerson Magic content creation machine, which this, if you know anything about AI, this takes business to the next level. If you're struggling with a YouTube video idea, type in then you just type that, and then you can come in here and you can make it more detailed. You can do this with code. It does code. So you can do things for your website in here. Here's some more examples. Like this pretty much put the finishing gloss on everything Home Business Academy has. And the next product is the Financial Literacy Academy, which I don't have this product yet. This is a one-time payment. So if you want to learn, financial literacy, taxes, and stuff in that nature, this is a product for that as well. The Funnel Builder is a monthly subscription, and so is the HBA Premium. So this is going to create your residual income, 80% commissions. So for example, the Funnel Builder is $25 a month. So you're going to make $20 every single month. You're going to get paid weekly, and then you're going to get that residual every month off of that $25. It's really simple. Is that, they have the affiliate zone, which pretty much is your fast start. It's going to pretty much launch your business. It's going to launch everyone you bring to the system's business, so you don't have to worry about people not getting started good and not understanding everything is from step 1 to step 2. Even when you're creating they have the launch pad as well, which has a whole bunch of good stuff in it as well. But even when you're doing funnels, they have a whole list of training when it comes to the funnel. So I mean, anything you want to build, getting your domain name, everything, even this website I showed you with my where you can register for a free course. They show you how to build that. They show you how to build everything. So there's no confusion, and you can access the founders in the Facebook Live group daily. So it's really a no-brainer. To me, this is the best program out. There's not really a system that does all this, that has the leadership like this program. Inexpensive, pays you good. To me, this is really the one. I don't see myself pretty much adding anything else to my portfolio. There's no need. I've been in this industry for years, so I can tell you there's not much out there in the affiliate space doing this, and this program has been going for 5 years, so there's not many people doing this. So this is pretty much, in my opinion, the internet business to get started with, especially new, or even if you already have a product. This is a great place to come in to, learn how to promote your product and have a system that you can get leads to. But I'm going to end this video here. I want to make a video on the Home Business Academy and let you guys know that I'm still in it. It's amazing. It's better. And I would check it out. Have a good one.